Uh, Today I will tell you some steps, variation of eight tali and some other steps, and then we will start from yesterday's class. Okay. So first we will revise, then we will do some variation in eight tali. I think तब तक कुछ श्लोक भी आ जाएंगे. So first we start. See our uh, we have learned eight tali like this. Okay. This is eight tali. Yashika, do this. Put your right leg. Put your right leg first. First take your right leg, and at the time you have to lift your left leg. Okay. See, leg movement. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You just put right. Okay, so this is the hand movement. So today I will tell you that see we clap. Okay, here we clap like this. So don't clap. You just take your hands cross, take like this, and then leave it like that. Okay. Okay, this is the variation of Ektali, and the other variation is you can do this step. Your right hand.
Sorry, I have a question.
Hello,
Hi.
Jenny.
Question.
Yeah. Ask.
Yesterday I didn't come. Can you tell me if we learned anything new yesterday?
Yes, we have learned, but we right now we are doing something different. I will tell you after a half an hour class. Okay, Jenny?
Okay.
Whatever we have learned yesterday, we will discuss half an hour after half an hour. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So today we are doing a variation of ek tali. You did ek tali. You know about ek tali, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just do ek tali with some variations. Okay?
What's a variation?
Yeah, I am telling you, you just stand up and do with me.
Okay.
Okay. So this is ek tali. Now I have told them that we can do like this. Don't clap. Just cross your hands. Cross your hands. Cross your hands. This is one variation. Okay, Jenny? This is one variation. Don't clap. Just do your hands in the cross and just leave. Now the second one is take your hand. This is your straight hand. Okay. So do like this. Yeah. When you put your right leg, you take your right hand also, like this. When you put your right leg, you have to straight your right hand, and at the time your left hand is straight, opposite to the right hand. Yeah, leg movement will be the same as the ek tali. Okay, now just fold your hand like this. Fold your hand like this, elbow from elbow. Okay. Yeah, good. Now there is two more. You put your hand like this and like this. Okay. Just do your this elbow is goes like this and this. Okay. Your एक ताली leg movement is same and her hand movement is different. Now the second variation in this step only, you take your hands. Here we taken our elbow like this. Now we will take our elbow like this in the upside in the upward direction. Okay, so like this. Yeah, you can bend more. Okay, practice it. Okay.
Auntie, you were cracking when you were doing the step.
Pardon?
You were cracking when you were doing the step.
You are not able to hear me? I think net is slow.
No, you were cracking when you were doing the step.
So anyone else was facing this issue? Aishwarya?
No, seems to be fine for me.
Okay, so I think I am, yeah, it's fine for me as well. Jenny, maybe there is some issue with the network at your end.
Okay.
Let's try one more time and see if there's a problem, then maybe you try reconnecting, okay? Thank you.
Okay, so these are the few variation of ek tali which we have learned. Okay, so now I will tell you the next step. Then we will do all those steps in music. So this is called heat. Heat. H-E-E-N-C-H. Heat. What is this? See. Take your right leg like this. At that moment, your hand is like this. Hand is like this. Okay. So your hand movement will go with your leg movement. Okay. Your move your right leg also, everyone. And what you will do, you will cross your left leg like this. Cross your left leg. At that time, what your hands? Your hands is like this. So step is cross your on your right. Now same from the left leg. Speak.
Hi, Yashika. I think you joined from two devices. यशिका आप एक डिवाइस से ज्वाइन करो, नहीं तो इको होगा.
See, this is right leg, clap like this, and from your left leg will cross in the right, and your hands are like this. And see, this is the first step. Now what you will do, you will your left leg will go like this and your hands will go like this. Now take your hands like this and your left leg will cross the right leg. Again same. This step you have seen in many Bollywood songs also. Yeah. जितना भी ये बेंड होगा ना तो उतना अच्छा लगेगा. It will look beautiful. Yes. Good, Aishwarya. Jenny, do like this. Bend your right leg. Take the right leg and clap. Bend your. Good. No. Here, no, you don't clap here. Don't clap. Take your right leg and do this step for step. You will not move. You will stand in one place and just put your right leg and clap. Don't do like this. Just in the center. Okay? Clap in the center of your body. Just bend. Just bend yourself upper body like this. Do like this, Jenny. Yeah. Take your hands. No. Say like step hand movement is like this. Put your hands. Yeah, good. Now you will bend. Do like this. Not like this. You have to take your hands from here. Yeah. And at that time at that moment you put your right leg. Now, Jenny, you don't move your left leg. There is some distance between your left leg and right leg when you finish your first step. I'm not doing like this. I'm not mixing my both legs. Yes, good. Take this and now Your hand goes like this and your leg, this left leg will cross the right one. Left leg will cross the right one. See, again, right leg, cross left, and your hand movement is like this. Yeah. Yashika, do. See, again I am telling you that take your right leg, Yashika, just follow my steps. Take your right leg and clap. Take your right leg and clap. Take your right leg and clap. Now, just fix in this position, don't move. This is your first step. Now your left leg will cross like this. Your left leg will cross the right, yes, and your hand movement is like this. Your thumbs are on your shoulder. Yeah. Now your left leg will move in the previous position and clap. Clap. Yashika, clap. Yeah, bend your upper body like this. जैसे मैंने किया वैसे करो. Yes. Now right leg will cross the left leg and your hand movement is like you have to put your thumb on your shoulder. Yeah. Now same. Right leg, clap, cross from left leg. So everybody got it? Aishwarya? Good. Good. Okay, we will do with music also. This is step. So practice. Yeah. Yashika and Jani, practice it, beta. Very good. So first we will, today we have learned some variation of Ek Tali also. Few of them are not at the time. So these are very basic and very easy. Ek Tali variation. We have do Ek Tali. So now we don't clap. We just take our hands in cross. Yeah. This is one variation. This is second. We are using these steps in our Bollywood dance also. You know, dhol and Bollywood dance. You can take your hands straight also, and you can bend little bit. The fourth one is you put your hand like this and okay, and here we have goes down. Now we will go upward. We take our elbow in the air, the upper
What
side.
about
Okay.
Titali? Is there a variation for Titali?
No, beta. This is one Ek Tali.
No,
Variation
is there a
of Ek
variation
Tali.
for Teen Tali?
See, pardon?
Is there a variation for Teen Tali?
No, one Tali, Ek Tali. Okay.
Okay.
And the last one is you have to take your elbow the upside, upward. Now we will do these steps in music also. Then we will start our the exercise which we have done yesterday. Okay. So any confusion? Everybody got it? All steps? Yeah. Okay. So now we will learn. Yesterday we have learned our few steps. Yeah, Yashika. Sorry, Jayani. Today, yesterday's class you have missed. So today we will discuss about yesterday's class. Okay. So be careful. Okay. Listen carefully. Okay, Jenny? Yeah. So, yesterday what we have learned? Our right leg, left leg and turn, left and right. It was the yesterday's steps. Today we will learn further, I will tell you the whole steps of this dance. Yesterday I have learned about that how you take steps. So today's full step, when you take your right, your left, take your right and left, everybody, right, left. Do these 3 steps, everybody. Okay. So this is right, this is left. Now again we will take one right. Okay. See, this is first step. 1, 2, and 3. 3. This is 3 in the right direction. Now I have divided 3 steps in 2 parts, 3A and 3B. 3A and 3B. Okay. Third step has 2 parts. This is this is first step. This is second step. This is 3A. Okay, 3A. Now you will turn. This is 3B. Right, left, right, turn. Right, left, right, turn. You here you are not going like this. You hear what you are doing? You are moving yourself. Okay, you are moving yourself like this. You are turning your legs. And now what you will do? Your left leg, you will take your left leg in this direction. You will take your left, right, and then left. This is the all 6 steps. See, again I will tell you. Right. See, this is my circle. I will move my right side. So this is right. This is left. This is right. Now I will turn. Now left, right. Now again I will move. Left, right, left. Here I have completed my whole steps. See, this is right. This is first step. 1, 2. Yesterday we have done 1, 2. These 2 steps, everybody has got it or not? These 2 steps only I am asking about. These 2 steps. Aishwarya, I am asking about 2 steps. Yeah. See. Right, left. Now the third one, the new one. Okay. Again, right. The same. The first one line. 1, 2, right. Right. This is the third A step. Now you will turn. You are like this. You will turn. This comes in the third step. Right, left, right, and turn. Okay. Right, left, right, and turn. You will turn. This is the third step. Third step, not only you go to the right, you will take one turn. Your right leg is like this, and you will turn your legs like this. Right, left, right, turn. This is the third step. Now what you will do? Your left leg you will take in this direction. Left, right. Right, left, right, turn, left, right, left. See, third step has problem now. I think third step not doing. See, everybody, right? Do with me. Everybody practice with me. Right, right, and left, and right, and turn. Turn. Just, yeah, from your left. Always you will turn from your left. Now, where you will go? Take your left leg in the, not this direction. You will go your left. You will take your left leg. Actually, what are you doing? You are completing your circle. 1, 2, 3. You turn, and now you are going in this direction, left. You will, when you turn, see, right, left, left, turn. You are like this. Now you will like this. This opposite of your you face here. You face your wall like this. Like at that moment, I am facing my laptop. Okay, I am facing. I'm able to seeing you. But now what I will do? I will go like this. Now my back side is facing laptop. Okay. So the step is like this: right, left, right, and I am facing, my back is facing the laptop. This is the right, see, put your right leg, now your left leg, now right leg, now I am like this, now I am like now in this direction. And how you will do this? When you go to the right, you just put your legs like this and like this. You can't take one circle like this because when you dance, it will very fast. So you just put your legs and this and this. Always when you take turn, जब पूरा घूमना है तो हमें पूरा ऐसे नहीं घूम जाना है. हमें अपना पैर, our legs, we should touch our feet on surface because our balance, हमारा balance बिगड़ जाएगा. So just take like this. This. Take your turn. Take your turn. Right now I am facing my laptop. Okay, now I will turn. So my back is facing the laptop. Okay. And what you will do? You will now you will go your left. Left. Now you will go your right. Right. And now go left. Understand or not? Anybody, Aishwarya?
Just one
Confusion,
question.
na?
When you're making the turn, right? You said you make like this, right? Like you're in this direction, and I'm twisting my left leg, so I'll be rotating to this side. No, you are rotating this side. How? That's what is confusing for me.
See. Right, left, right.
Can you show your leg?
Right, left, right. See, this is my circle. Okay, I will go on my right side. Right, left, right. Like this only. Yeah. When you go here, you are here. You will just turn, and now your position is like this.
Okay, got it, got it.
It's basically like you're supposed to like move forward like when you're on the left side, right?
Turn on your left. You will always move from your right. See, my right leg. This is my circle. Okay, Jenny. This is my circle. I will move in this direction and I will complete one circle. Okay. This is circle. Okay. We do Garba in the circle. So what I will do? I will go right. I will take my right leg. I will put my right leg on the surface. and left leg will follow. Okay, and this right leg will go little bit far. Okay, again, see, if I tell you that, imagine that right leg is angry with left leg, okay, and right leg doesn't want to talk to the left leg. So he always want to far away with left leg. So what he will do? He will go right in the direction, right direction. Now left leg will follow because he want to talk to the right leg. So he will goes like this. But now right leg doesn't want to talk to the left leg. So he will go little bit far because he doesn't want to talk to left leg. So right leg is like this. And leg movement is this. When I say right, it means that right leg is angry with the left leg and he will move like this. And we have to jump here, little bit. Here, when I put my leg, so here I am jumping. See, you understand this step? Now, again, Jenny, yeah. Good, good. Now you have taken this step. Now what happened? Now left leg is angry from the right leg with the right leg. Okay, so he will go. Now right leg will follow. Right leg will follow. Then again he will go a little bit far from the right leg. Right leg is angry. Now left leg is angry. Okay. So Aishwarya and Shobna, see, right, left, right, turn. Okay. Right, left, right, turn. Turn हो गए. Right, yeah, right, left, again right. Yeah, turn. Right, left, right. See, when you put your right leg, at that moment you just bend yourself. Otherwise, you will not take your whole. You will not. You should not take time for taking turns. See, I am taking very smoothly. Right, left, right, and when I am taking right, I already bend in this direction, and then I will take another half. Right, left, right. When I do this step, see my third step is like this. Right, left, right. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3A, 3B. See, right, left, 3A, 3B. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3A, 3B. 3A में already you take your position. You take half circle. You turn half circle. Now you will put your leg like this. Your third step is 3A. This is 3A. When I say this is 3A and this is 3B. See. Yeah, Aishwarya, शुरू से start करो. Right, left, and yeah. Right, left, right. Yeah, and 3. Yeah, turn left from your left. turn. Yeah, एक turn और लेना है, पूरा turn होना है ना 360 degree. Yeah, so take one turn. Yes, yes, good. बस ये है position. Yes, yes. But इसको बहुत ही जल्दी करना है. You take immediately. You know, in the third step you have completed all the third step and your turn also. Yeah. So that's why I have divided third step in two parts, 3A and 3B. So in 3A you take your right and you will bend like this and you turn like this is my face. So I have taken a little bit turn and then I will face my back will on the laptop. So again I will tell.
So we will make 2 twists and then that is it, right? Like after the
Yeah.
like right and then 2 twists. Okay.
Yeah. Again. See. Right, left, right, turn. When I say right, I already like this and then I will turn here. Right, left, right, turn. Right, turn. Right, turn. Okay, third step is 3A, 3B. 3A, तो 3A में हम ऐसे हो गए हैं, हमारा जो पोजीशन है वो ऐसे नहीं है, हम ऐसे हो गए. You know, 3A. The third step is in two parts, 3A and now 3B. 3B में my back is on the tablet position. My back is in front of tablet or laptop. 3A, 3B. Yashika, what happened to? Yesterday you have learned the steps right, left, right, turn. Right, left, right, turn. Right, left, right, turn. And when I see everybody got it, this third step, Shobna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. So now the other three steps. Like here I am like this. Just see. Right, left, right, turn. Now my bag is in front of laptop. Now I am like this. Now I will move my left leg. Okay, right, left. Now I will move my right leg. Right. Here I am going like this. I am going like this. See, the fourth step is on your left. Fourth step is on your left. Now fifth step is on your right. Okay, and the sixth step is again you will go in this direction. Left. Right, left, right, turn, left, right, left. Then again, now I am in the original position. Right, left, turn, left, right, left. These all see steps. First step is we go right. Then second step is we go left. The third step is 3A and 3B. In the 3A, you goes your right and take turn. And 3B में पूरा turn हो गए. Now when you are in third step. So what you will do? Your leg is you are in this position. Okay. Now what you will do? You will take your left leg. Take your left leg. Okay. Now you will take your right leg. Okay. You are making left, right, left, right. Like this, if I am telling you in front of you, so it is like this, left, right, See, this is my fourth step of this whole Garba step. So this is fourth one. This is fifth one. This is fourth step. Left say. This is fifth step. So here I end my third step. This is fourth. This is fifth, and this is again sixth. So what I am doing? This is my third step. Okay, I am here now. Fourth, fifth. Now my left leg will move in this direction. Basically, the fourth and fifth step. When you third step is like this, you just you are going like this. You are going like this in this two V. You are making something V. Not exactly V, but you are going fourth step you are taking on your left, and the fifth one is you are taking on your right. Then you will, the sixth step will, you are fifth step is you are doing from your right, you goes you're from the left to right. Fourth is left, fifth is right, and sixth is you will take your left steps on in front of right. Okay. See, first thing मैं start कर रही हूँ. First, 2, 3A, 3B, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3A, 3B, 4, 5. Now I will take my left leg. Confusion or got it? Again we will do, see, right, left, right, turn. Now turn. This is, everybody get third step, till third step, everybody understand? Okay. So, yes. So this is third step. Now what we will do? We will go on our left. Okay, now you just go on your right. This is fifth step. This is third. See, this is my third step. I have completed my third step. Now what I will do? I will go on my left. On my left. Okay, goes like this. Left. Now I will go on my right. This is my fifth step. This is fifth step. This is 4. This is 5. And now this left leg will move. Like this. This is my last step of this whole step. Sixth step. Now I will again move like this. See, again I will tell you, right, left, right, turn. Now I will go left. See, I will go left, I will go right, then I will go left, right, left, left. Here I have completed my all 6 steps. See, मैं इधर से आती हूँ एक बार. Right, left, right, turn, turn. Now left, right, left. Okay. अभी मैं कहाँ से दिखाऊँ? उधर से दिखाती हूँ. See. This is my right. Right leg. So I will do right, left, right, turn. Okay, this is turn हो गया. अभी मैं turn हो गई. Okay, this is the third step. Now what I will do? Left, right. Do this step, everybody. Left, right. This is the fourth and fifth step. Left, right. See, we all know these steps. We all know these. If I say You have to walk like this. You don't move like this. You have to take your steps in this manner only. So what you will do? You will take your left step, will take your right step. I will say you go to your kitchen in this position only. So you will take your legs like this. You don't walk. You go to your kitchen in this position only. So you will move like this. Okay. So the fourth and fifth step. Fourth step is on your left and fifth step is on your right. Okay. On your left, on your right. On your left, on your right. Now, when I say fifth step, so what I will do the last sixth step is just the second one. Right, left, right, turn. Now, left, right, move. See, right, left, right, turn, left, right. One, two, 3A, 3B, 1, 4, sorry. See, 1, 2, 3A, 3B, 4, 5, 6. See, 4 और 5 में क्या है कि बस 3A के बाद 4 लेफ्ट लेना है, राइट लेना है. Okay, and 6 is just you go to your left. Go to your right from your left leg. Okay. Yeah, Shobna has got it. Yeah, Aishwarya. Good, Shobna. Very good. Jenny, you complete, you have understand or not? You have understood or not your steps? The right one and your left one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yashika? See, right and left. Right and left. Then right and turn. Okay? Right, left, right and turn. Okay, you turn 360 degree full. Like I am here, then I will my third position in the last is like this. One, two, three, turn. Okay, now we will do hand movement also in this step. See, yesterday what I have told you that you put your, when you put your right leg, you will take your when I told you that your right leg and your left hand is in air. See. Turn. You have to remember one thing, when you put your right leg, your left leg will be in the air. Okay. Now your left leg, right leg, left leg. Again I will do from my right, so my left hand will be here. Right, left, right, left, right, left. The hand movement will you will learn. First you will learn your left movement, and it will, you will bend your hand. You will learn easily. Right, left. Third step completed. Now goes on your left, goes on your right. Now move with your left.
So here you don't change your hand again when you're turning, right? Like what we did yesterday. No, right?
Yeah. Actually, this is right, left. Now my right leg is out, so my left hand is in the air. Now I am turning. So when I am turning, my hands are like this. Right, left, right. Yeah, my hand is not, because when I turn, I am taking like this only. Now my left leg will move, so I will bend my in this direction, and my right hand will be in air. Yeah. So Aishwarya, do one. Like, I am not clear that you have learned or not, Jenny, Yashika, everyone. Aishwarya, do one time in front of me. Yeah. Right, right, left, right, and turn. Now left, left. You have to go left, right, and now left. We will, good. Yeah. Yashobna is doing good. Okay. Yashika, have you understood or not? Yeah. Good. Jenny, you are doing very good. Okay, so we will do this in some music. So maybe it will be more clear for all of you. We will do this in one song also. Okay, these steps. Okay, so I will send you one video of this step also. So I think you will give some idea about this step. Okay. Yeah. So yes, so I think we will end our class and we will learn this Dodio step, this whole 6-step Dodio today. And this step is, we do most of the time in the half an hour we will practice it in Garba, this step. When we completed our teen tali, do tali, then we will come into this Dodio step. And then I have to tell you about the heat, and also it will come in the fast track songs. Okay, so this was our class, so we will end our class and I will send one video of this. Okay, everyone?
Yeah. So
Everybody got it?
can you
Yes,
send
ma'am.
the one that we learned yesterday and the variation, the 3-step? Yesterday was 2, today was 3. So can you send that recording as well?
Yesterday I have sent one recording of
Yeah.
that. Yeah. Yeah,
So
today, whatever we learned today, I will send you today the video. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Shubhna. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Ashika.